Hi, I'm Carl Little. I have Swanson's Little Engines. We are a small engine workshop and sales showroom. I'm here to talk about the Remington infrared 22 kilowatt heater. Current heating system we've had for at least the last 2 years because we're a fairly good sized workshop area. We need a bit of heat to be able to keep the chill off, just so the guys can work comfortably before the Remington heater. We went from them to three-phased electric heating. The electric heating was fantastic. It was really nice heat. It was warm, it was quiet, it was really great. Till I got Parable. Parable was massive. The Remington heater, when we got that, it changed everything for our workshop. We have two Remington heaters. We have a tunnel heater and we have the 22 kilowatt heater. And we use the combination of the two to get the chill off the air first thing in the morning. It's about 15 minutes runtime. Then we shut down the tunnel heater. We maintain the rest of the day with the 22 kilowatt heater. And it has been fantastic. It is quiet, it was non-fuming. We have never experienced any headaches. I have since also put one into our showroom, which has been absolutely fantastic for keeping the showroom at a nice, comfortable temperature. It's just in the entrance as clients come in. It's the first thing they notice. They ask me immediately, "Oh, what is this? I want one." Yes, there are cheaper options, but the overall running of those other options, these heaters cover their costs in no time at all. Like just the running cost of these ones is so much cheaper than any other heater we've tried. We have tried quite a few different options here. To work in a workshop of this size, to be productive, you can't be in freezing cold conditions. In the past, we have worn gloves, rubber gloves, all of that. And for what we do, it's very difficult to be able to do our job effectively. Since using the Remington heating, we are warm, comfortable, much more productive than what we've ever been. I have absolutely no hesitation recommending these heaters. I swear by them. For me, the 22 kilowatt is what I've used the most of so far. Flicking that heater on, you're warm within minutes. Just the incredible heat that comes off it. It's not just focused on one area, it gets around the entire place, and it's a nice, comfortable heat.